Hare Krishna. Myself is Keshav Murari Das. Earlier I was Kuldeep Singh Rawat. I lived in Delhi, and in Krishna consciousness I came in year 1995. At that time I was in my first year of commerce, and my friend brought me in ISKCON, and I took prasad. Prasad was very nice. I attracted by prasadam, and then slowly I started coming, and again, and I realized that the philosophy they are giving me is very nice, it's very helpful, and by this philosophy all the doubts and all the tensions the people have very immediately it nullifies. So I started preaching also, and then slowly I found that I'm also becoming a Krishna consciousness, and then I found that my real friends and good friends are in this moment only, not in outside. Outside people, they always with you when you have something to give them. If you have nothing to give them or to celebrate, they are not your friends. But here in Krishna consciousness, in this moment, we found that each and everybody is very selfless. They wanted to serve you, they wanted to become your real friends, and they help you also. So this was my first attraction as prasadam, and then philosophy, and then kirtan. And then slowly I become more inquisitive and more interested in this philosophy. And then in 2004, I joined as a full-time devotee in Punjabi Bagh Temple. And then I started there preaching and other programs also, college preaching, etc. And then now I have many friends in this moment in each and every part of the world. And I'm trying to preach also, so that the same love, the affection and the happiness I'm getting, and it should be with everyone, which is not easily available in this material world. People are hankering here and there for satisfaction, for love, but they are not getting it. They are just running. But here in Krishna conscious movement, as soon as you start chanting the holy name of the Lord, you start reading the philosophical books, which is the topmost philosophy. As soon as you read this philosophy, you are beyond these bodily designations. I saw that there are many philosophies in the world, and all are talking about the body and related to the bodies. And I found that in Krishna conscious philosophy, we talk about soul and the soul's relationship with the God. And just by knowing this, we become above, beyond this so-called bodily designated religion, which people take name with, sometimes they say we are Hindus, we are Muslims, we are Sikhs, we are Isais. But this Krishna consciousness movement does not talk about this bodily religion actually. So this is real love, which everybody hankering for. So if I got this, I'm living this, I'm happily enjoying this life. So I think everyone should taste this nectar, and they will find later that they are the most fortunate people. Why the people become so late to coming in this Krishna conscious movement? Just try to taste it, and then you will feel this is the best moment, this is the best philosophy. Here the best prasadam we are serving, here the best philosophy we are serving, here the best kirtan we are singing, and each and every sense is satisfied here. People are not getting satisfaction of their senses outside with sense objects, but here for all senses will get purified, will be satisfied, and your innermost, the soul, will be happy. So this was my first reason to, the prasadam and the satisfaction, hankering for that. So when I came here, so I'm happy since that moment, and I can say since I have joined this, I never felt a moment, even a moment, morose or distress or anxiety. This is my word. I never felt so. So since that day, I'm happy, I'm blissful, and I'm encouraging other people also to come and join this movement and learn how we should live this life happily. So this was my experience in this Krishna conscious movement, and I will, request to each and everyone who is listening, who is watching, then please use a little time of your life in Krishna conscious movement, and then you will also enjoy like I'm enjoying. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.